Hi everyone. In this video, we will see a match between Magnus Carlsen and Rameshbabu Praggnanandhaa. It's from Airthings Master 2022, and it's a rapid game. So here, Magnus is with white pieces and Praggnanandhaa is with black pieces. So let's see how the game goes. So first, Magnus opened with d4, and Praggnanandhaa replies with f6. Then we have c4 from white and e6 by black. Then we have knight to f3 by white, and we have d5 striking in the center by black. Then we have knight to c3, and then we have c5. We have e3 by white. Then we have knight to c6. All four knights are out in the game now. Then Magnus captures with e takes d5, and we have e takes d5 again. Then we have bishop to b5, and we have c takes d4. Then again we have e takes d4, and black plays d6. It's bishop to d6. Then white castled, black also castled, and then we have h3. Black plays h6, and then we have king rook to e1, and then we have bishop to f5. And here white plays knight to e5, and then black plays rook to c8. Then black plays bishop to white plays bishop to f4, and here we have rook to e8. Now here white plays rook to c1, and we have queen to b6. Then white captures on c6 with the bishop, and it pawn captured back on c6. We have knight to a4, and queen moves to a6. Then we have a rook coming forward to e3 square, and the knight is also coming forward to e4. Then we have f3, kicking away the knight, and knight goes back to g5. Then white doubled up on the c file with rook e to c3, and then we have queen to b7. Here we have bishop to h2, and we have knight to e6 by black. Now we have a capture on c6, and black goes forward with the knight to f4. Here Carlsen takes the knight back to e5, and black captures it on e5. And again we have d takes e5. Then we have a d3 by black. And here the rook on the c file, it captured the other black rook on c8. Then we have again capture back on c8. Then we have one more capture of rook on c8, and finally the queen captures on c8. So all rooks are exchanged now on the board. Now we have bishop to g3, and pawn moves forward to d4. Then we have pawn to b3, and then queen comes forward to c6. Then we have queen to d2 by white, and black goes to h7 for safety. Then white also did the same thing and forward with the king to h2, and now we have bishop to g6. Now we have queen to a5, and the black queen come all along to the first rank, and that is queen to c1. Now here queen captures on a7, and black queen goes to e3. Here the knight come backward to c3 to defend any threats, and here we have knight to f4. Here knight goes to d1 to attack on the black queen, and black queen defend itself by going onto d2. Here we have knight to f2, and then here black knight goes to e2. Now we have h4 by white, and then queen comes to e1. Here the queen, white queen goes to d7, and knight captured the bishop on g3. Here we have queen captured on d4. Knight goes back to f1 with check. King move forward to h3, and here the knight goes to e3 square, and here the queen comes backward to b2. Here the bishop comes to c2 square to prevent queen from defending any of the threats. And here we can see the threat is simple. Here the queen can go to queen capture can capture on f2 square, and if black if white try to defend the knight, let's say if king goes to g3, then we can deliver another check with our knight, and then we can capture the white knight, and it is a lost position for white. So here Magnus Carlsen resigned the game, and Praggnanandhaa won this very beautiful game. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.